What's there to do around the Las Americas outlets on the last US exit in the US-Mexico border? Find out next on Jaycation. Hey, what's up, Jaycationers? Welcome back to another video here in the San Diego series. Today we are at the Las Americas outlets, which is located at the San Diego Tijuana border on Camino de la Plaza. And we're literally feet and steps from Tijuana. And we're just gonna check out the stores around here. And if you're visiting for the first time and you don't want to quite cross the border, this is probably your perfect place to go to experience being right around the border. All right, Jaycationers, right behind me is the Nike outlet. We're gonna go explore Las Americas outlet. All right, Jaycationers, we are here at Camino de la Plaza, the last US exit from San Diego to Tijuana. Across the way is the entrance to Mexico, to Tijuana, if you just keep walking down that way. Now we're gonna be exploring the Las Americas outlets, and it's over this way. And there are a few duty-free stops. So across the street, they have a guitar center, a duty-free shop. There's also a duty-free shop right here. So I'm just gonna give you guys a little walking tour here. I usually go into this Nike, but there is a line, and I try to avoid lines like the plague. So we're about a week and a half before Christmas, and these are the lines to get in to the Nike factory store. Nike seems to be one of the few shops here that have a line to get in, and it actually wraps around the corner. So we're gonna skip Nike and check out the rest of the mall. Look at this Levi's just right across the street. No line to get into Levi's. Let's check it out. And it looks like right now they're having their year-end 60% off sale. These are pretty cool masks, 40% off. So usually I try to look for some Justin Timberlake fresh leaves Levi's brand, but I don't think he came out with a new line this year, so there really isn't much stuff. Now this is the outlets at the border. This is the newer section of the outlet center where there's an H&M, an Express, Armani Exchange. And on this side of the parking lot, I wanted to show you, that is the border wall. So right at the parking lot, you can park right at the border and do your Christmas shopping. You could even see the Mexican flag here at some parts of the wall. Now, if you're just discovering my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you get updates on my newest videos. And please hit that like button. It really helps distribute this video throughout YouTube. I also have a lot of people joining my Patreon this month, and if you want to support me even further in my YouTube future, please check out my Patreon. And in the month of December, I have 20% off on my Teespring. Holiday 20 is the code. And here's their pretty tall and thin Christmas tree here at outlets at the border. So to start, you got Express Factory Outlet, and the Armani Exchange, and an ASICS store. Now this newer part of the outlet center is actually feels like more of a mall, a shopping mall. So they have stores like Foot Locker and H&M, even though it's still considered the outlet center. So here's your Foot Locker, and right next door is the H&M, which is a pretty big H&M, even though it's only one story. And this is US Sportswear. These stores are a dying breed, but they have sales, and they sometimes have some good sports gear of your favorite team. They do have a few bootleg Kobe jerseys here. I'm sure this place is really nice and lit up at night with the lights above. And a lot of the mall is lined with social distancing markers. Over here is a nice menorah. Happy Hanukkah. And then you got a little food court here with a little wall waterfall. And this right here is the taxi and bus stop. There's one of the final American flags. Then down the way, you can kind of see the arch in Tijuana. Down in this side of the outlet center, they have a Volcom and your customer service center and Connect Lounge if you want to chill out. So this newer part of the mall is a quick loop. Now we're going to enter the original part of Las Americas outlets and check out the inside of that area. So this part of the mall, you got New Balance and the Skechers. You got your healthy shopper guidelines. Right over here is Steve Madden. And then across the way, you got a North Face. And there is the Disney store. Let's go check it out. So we're inside the Disney store here. Let's see if they have some masks. And they do have masks here. And they're buy one, get one. And they're in bundle packs. Look at this. They're in 2 packs or 3 packs. Nice, buy one, get one free. And this is a total score because I went all over Disneyland looking for this, for the Haunted Mansion mask, and they have it here. Wow, this is crazy. Their Christmas stuff is even cheaper here. These Christmas shirts are only $8. This was definitely a Disney score, especially after going to Downtown Disney. Wow, they got some deals here. Now, sometimes you could find some pretty nice hats over here. So definitely scored on some of the masks at the Disney store. Wasn't expecting that. Yeah, some of the hat stores over here, they got some different colored hats. And you can find your favorite team and a certain color you want. And this looks like it's the line for Hollister. This looks like a nice section of the mall that would be lit up at night with these stars and lights. Right next to it, Charlie's Philly Steaks. Actually wasn't even planning on shopping while I was here, but you can't beat buy one, get one at that Disney store. So this is the food area. I'm not sure if you're supposed to be eating here, but people are. I'm looking for some Mexican churros. They got Churros El Tigre right next to this fountain. Over on this side of the mall, you got your Victoria's Secret, Swarovski, and they actually do have signs directing you which way to walk and what not to walk. Looking for crepes, they got that too. Moving along, there's a Journeys here, regular Wetzel's Pretzels, and there is a line for Kate Spade, New York. And if you are military, like a lot of people in San Diego are, you show your military ID and you get discounts. Over here you can find Adidas, Children's Place outlets, and a big Michael Kors. Small line here with a Cinnabon stand. The one thing that's really hard about this mall is finding parking, especially during this time of year. This time with the stay-at-home order, a lot less people, so I found parking right away. Now you also got lines at Hot Topic right here. There's also Finish Line and Diesel. And this is the end of the mall where I like to check out the lids. It looks like the capacity here is only like 3 or 4 people. And if you got kids with you during normal times, this play area could come into use. But it's closed right now. Moving along, they have Aeropostale here, Sunglass Hut, a second Wetzel's Pretzels, and there's a big J. Crew store. This is the big J. Crew store here. For those of you that still wear Reebok, there's a Reebok and a Tommy Hilfiger. Robert Wayne. Yeah, that's the inside of the J. Crew. Looks like they have a testing site right here where they can collect your tests. And if you want to consider this part of the mall still, it's just across the street. They do have a Ross, a TJ Maxx, and a Big Five over here with the border wall right there. In the past, I've been in that TJ Maxx and my phone cell service has changed from US to Tijuana service, in and out. In this part of the mall, there are a ton of smaller stores like Izod, Van Heusen, True Religion, Aldo, and there's a second Lids outlet. So I don't even think this store is open because, yeah, see, well, they'll reopen at 4. But this is where they have more gear, more of the sports gear. There's a Penguin Original store here. If you're looking for Coach, there's a Coach store right across from the Old Navy Outlet Center. You got your basic Polo Ralph Lauren here, and right across the way is the giant Christmas tree. And if you're looking for Under Armour, it's a little weird area which is separate from the mall, across the street, across the parking lot actually. It's just right there. And this is the part of the mall where it's really difficult to find parking at times. Now this Starbucks right here, this is where I stop before I leave to grab a little caramel brulee latte during this time of year. Also got your Forever 21 outlet. Right across the way is an IHOP if you're looking for some pancakes early in the morning. We're approaching the Guess and the Van store. And there's a few food trucks here every now and then. Check this out. And check out the food trucks right here. You want some tacos. And the line at Bath & Body Works looks like it's pretty crazy. Check this out, a little reminder of Barcelona. Plaza Catalunya. Oh, I'll miss shopping around Barcelona during the holidays. Check out my Lauroka Village outlet mall vlog if you haven't yet. That's over in Catalonia. And yeah, that has a few thousand views. Check that out. And right here, they got a Columbia. And once again, here's the Nike. Too much of a line for me. Also, for you out-of-towners, there is an airport real close by, the Tijuana airport. And a lot of people fly out of Tijuana airport to go to places around Mexico because deals are cheaper. There's also a trolley stop next to this border entry. So if you don't have a car, you could actually take the trolley, walk a little this way, or take a taxi from the trolley station. A lot of great places to check out here, especially if it's not as crowded. A lot of residents of Mexico come over across the border just to shop here at Las Americas outlets. And you hook a left and you're back in Mexico. You hook a left, but it hooks back around because it's to the right side. And right around this area is where the trolley stop will take you. The last trolley stop in the US. This area, we got a bunch of pawn shops, Family Dollar areas. This is the entryway to San Ysidro. This right here is a Church's Chicken. Now, if you guys never had Church's Chicken, that is some good stuff. It's worth it to come down south to try. All right, Jaycationers, so that will do it from the Las Americas Outlet Center here in San Ysidro, California. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you get updates on when I live stream and when I have my newest videos. And in the month of December, I'm offering 20% off my Teespring. The promo code is holiday20. If you want to support Jaycation in 2021, check out my Patreon. I have exclusive offers and deals over at that website. Vlogmas rolls on, guys. Next up, we check out another mall in Otay Mesa. All right, Jaycationers, we'll see you in the next video. Feliz Navidad. And in the words of Ron Burgundy, stay traveling, San Diego.